All right, guys, our first diesel BMW X5. What did I say? 3.5, I think. Yeah, 3.5 diesel. All right, guys, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's still got the particulate filter right there. So if you need to ever delete that, there's sensors before it and after. So you got to make sure you tune it before you do anything or upgrade it. And then we did a custom wide pipe muffler delete, as you guys can see there. He bought this kit from Canada, but it didn't fit at all. So we made it fit for him and finished it off with some clean tips that we had in stock. Right there, some black chrome tips. As you guys can see, nice and clean. Beautiful job. Drove a few hours to get to us. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Guys, BMW X5 diesel muffler delete. Like we didn't do anything. Look, that is crazy. Give it gas. Yeah, there's absolutely no noise. Wow. Again? Look at his face. He's like, huh? All that work for nothing? Again? Yeah, it's absolutely quiet. He needs downpipes and delete, everything deleted for it to get any sound. So remember that, guys, for the diesels, you gotta delete everything and tune it. Again? I can't even hear it. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 84. Again? Go ahead and back it out. The welding is louder than the car. So you guys see, it is a diesel. Go ahead. Nothing, man. That's crazy how quiet it is. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW X5 diesel. Did a muffler delete and it sounds like we didn't do anything, which is crazy, but it is what it is. He shocked himself. He's like, I don't even know why it's so quiet. Quick little cars though. Here we go. Look, it's quiet. That's insane. Muffler delete like it has nothing on it. Like we didn't do anything. Which is crazy. But it is what it is. Only at exhaust addicts.